I am in Embassy of Nepal, New Delhi for some documentation to make our supplies go custom free. Let's see.
बन्द राम्रो कुरा को सामान लिएर आउनु
They're not allowing to go by the land. Lots of circumstances, people are misusing it and they're trying to make money out of it. So I'm trying to go back my home and then I will return back with my luggages and I will drop it here. So and every day they are taking the trucks to Nepal. This will directly go to the Kathmandu and they're distributing by the helicopters to the different regions. From all over India people are doing here. I mean they are donating items here. I have to do too because there is no other option. Hello Sumit, what have you brought? Blankets, tent?
Blankets, tent. टेंट भी है सर इसकी एंट्री हो गई क्या? हाँ एंट्री हो गई सर तो कोने में चढ़ा दो ना सीधा रख के टेंट का एक बार आटा बंद कर दो इसको और भी हमारे तो बाहर निकले हुए हैं ना.
So as you already saw in the video, today we gave all our items that we had collected in Delhi to the Embassy of Nepal. When I went to the Embassy of Nepal, there were a help desk and I was asking, I had letters actually, some applications to give me the custom free while I will take all the tents and the tarpaulins, blankets and some food item, biscuits and similar type of this things. I was planning to buy a lot here and then take it to Nepal because the prices in Nepal, I'm sure it's going to be expensive and there is a lack of shortage of tent in Nepal and not even the good quality. So that was my plan, to take lots of tents from here, but they didn't give me the permission to make the custom free from here. So I had to give them in the embassy. What they suggested that lots of NGO at initial stage of the earthquake, they took a lot of items from Nepal to from India to Nepal, and they instead of doing a social work, they just try to sell and make money. So here the government, I mean, I don't know, the embassy said like, we're not allowing any vehicles to go like that, in that way. If you have a private vehicles, then they will give the non-objection certificate, but I didn't have a private vehicle, so they said just to give us, and we'll take this all stuff to Nepal, because every day the trucks are going from here, from the Embassy of Nepal, and they will distribute from the Kathmandu to the remote areas, as they promise. I don't know, and I hope they will do, because people, I see people are trusting, and I hope, I think they are, I think it is legit, and it will work. And thank you so much for the all India. Actually, I see people, school kids, like young boys and girls and uncles and aunties, they were coming with whatever they can in their car. Some they were coming by hiring even cab in autos, and they were donating whatever they can. And in Embassy of Nepal in New Delhi, I saw there is a huge amount of not huge, but yes, there is a good amount of collection every day. I hope it is every day, but today I saw a good amount of collection there, and hopefully that will go to the proper needy people. So that's what I did. This is 10:30 in the evening time, and in the morning I'm leaving. In the 5 I'm leaving. I have a train at 7:30, so I'll reach to Nepal in 6th, and then in Biratnagar, according to my plan, whatever the money that I have raised, online and from other offline here, I'm gonna buy supplies in Biratnagar, which is close to the border, and then I'm going to take them to Kathmandu, and then we'll go to the remote areas of Nepal. That's what the plan is. So now all you have to do is wish me the good luck and share that link, and try to spread the message, and let's raise some more funds, and let's help some more needy people. Feel the heart. See you soon into the another episode of updates from Nepal, maybe if I get the internet, huh? So goodbye. Bye bye.